When your tenant reports a maintenance issue, you should always ensure that you deal with it as soon as possible. Once it's been received, then pass it on to the contractor. Get them to visit the property as soon as possible. Do ensure arrangements with the tenants, and if they are not in, then do make sure that you get their approval to enter the property without them being there. Send the contractor around. If they can fix the problem immediately, then that's fantastic. And if they need to get parts, get them to provide you with a quote. You will then need to, if you are an agent, report it to the landlord, who then needs to either approve or disapprove the maintenance. If you are an agent, always make sure that you do get that approval, as if you do get the maintenance done and the landlord says they didn't want to take it ahead, you could be liable for the costs as you have instructed the contractor.